Keeping safe at home on Bonfire Night. Last year, around 1,000 people got hurt on Bonfire Night. Half of that number were children. It is best to have just one person in charge of the bonfire and fireworks. If you throw fireworks, you could be fined up to £5,000. Keep your pets inside. They are easily scared by the noise of the fireworks. Never drink alcohol while you're in charge of a bonfire and fireworks. When you build your bonfire, make sure it is a safe distance from your house. Do not put tyres, furniture, and tins of paint, aerosols or bottles on the fire. Before you light the fire, check that there are no animals hiding in it. Make sure that everyone stays away from the fire. When the bonfire dies down, use a bucket of water to make sure it is out. Do not set fireworks off near plants or trees. They could catch fire easily. Make sure your fireworks are kept inside a metal box. Only set the fireworks off one at a time. Be sure to step back at a safe distance. Use a bucket of sand to set off small fireworks. Once a firework has been lit, never go back to it even if it looks like it has gone out. Do not set fireworks off after 11 p.m. You could annoy your neighbours and get into trouble with the police. Make sure you wear gloves when using sparklers. Do not give sparklers to children under 5 years old. Keep sparklers well away from your face, about arm's length. Never leave children alone with sparklers. Always have an adult watching over them. Only use one sparkler at a time. When the sparkler has gone out, place it in a bucket of water.